A curious investigator tests how sound travels by tapping a wooden spoon on a glass and listening for the tiniest change in tone when different liquids fill the glass, revealing how matter carries vibration. Each new liquid layer acts like a different street for sound, teaching beginners how density and mediums shape pitch and tempo. The experiment remains safe and simple, yet sparks big questions about waves, resonance, and why music sounds different in a pool versus a room. Viewers are invited to try at home with adult supervision and record their own discoveries.